Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Cambridge Chemistry channel with Sarwat Ahmed. This video is a quick rundown of the three equations you should know for the AS level chemistry energetics. This is a revision of AS energetics to do lots of past paper questions. I go through the equations themselves and their units and give some extra information and explanation that I find relevant. Be sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channels to grow. Thank you. Delta HR is equal to sum of delta H formation of product minus delta H sum of delta HF formation of reactants. So according to Hess law, reactants with a cycle delta H products elements in standard states. There is another, draw another. Okay, draw like this. And we know that arrow up is for endothermic and arrow down for exothermic. And we know the sign of the endothermic positive and exothermic negative. So this is arrow up, that is positive, and this is also positive. When we draw this arrow, the sign of this arrow will be reverse. So it will be like arrow down and the sign will be reverse. And this is along this arrow, so it will be remain. So that's why delta HR is equal to sum of delta H of products minus delta H of reactants. Next equation, delta HC for enthalpy change of combustion is equal to sum of delta H reactants minus sum of delta H products. So draw another triangle, reactant, delta HC is unknown, products, and here combustion products. So we know combustion is exothermic reaction, arrow down, again arrow down. The third arrow we have to draw like this. So this arrow is again along with the arrow, and this arrow is against the arrow. This is the same sign, negative, and this arrow against this arrow, not along with this arrow, third arrow. So this will be reverse. The sign will be reverse, positive. So this is a third. So we can calculate lots of past paper questions by using this triangle. So next equation is delta H is equal to sum of bond energy, mean bonds are bond energy of reactants. Enthalpy change, bond energy of reactants minus sum of enthalpy change of bond energy of products. On reactant sides bonds are broken down, while on product side bonds are formed. New bonds are formed. Let's draw the triangle reactants. Delta H, enthalpy change of reaction, products, gaseous elements, Draw another arrow. This is along the arrow, so the sign will be negative, and this arrow is against this arrow, so the sign will be reversed. So this is like this, and sign will be positive, negative to positive. This is over here negative, and now it will be changed to positive. So these are the equations, three equations which we can use to solve all the enthalpy change questions.